and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shweta and in today's video we are going to dive into object oriented programming in classes and objects. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. What is class? So the class is a blueprint or template that defines the structure and behavior like methods of objects. It represents a group of objects that share a common attributes and method. So let's see with example. So for example, here we are define a car is a class and the attributes is like string a car brand and integer is a speed of car and our method is a void drive. Drive is a method. So here is the example of our car class. Okay. Second example. So here is the person class person. In the person class attributes is string name and integer age of person. And the method is void introduction. So the introduce person is method of a person class. What is an object? So an object is a instance of a class. It is a real world entity created based on the class definition. Like a state is represented by attributes like color, size, and the behavior is represented by methods like drive, stop. We see the example of car. So car in the method is drive. Okay. And the identity. So the unique reference to the object in a memory. Okay. For example, we are using a public static void main. Our main method in the car. Here is we are using a car1. So here is the object. Car1 is the object of car class. New keyword to create a new object of a car. Okay, and then we are call any method attributes using a object. So here we are use car1 object dot brand name and the speed, and here we are call the method of the car class. Okay, so here is the output of driving the car. So let's see with example. So here we are one example create class car and string brand and its speed. So we are using a method drive. So system.out.print driving the car with brand of brand name and at a speed is a speed. Okay, here is we are defined. So in the main method we are create a new object of a car like car1. So we are car1 object and then access all the string or brand int speed. So the car1 dot brand is our Toyota and speed is 120, and here we are called the method of car class. So run this example. So driving the car with brand Toyota and speed 120. So here is the output. So let's see with second example. So here we are using one class of student. So student's name and age, its attributes and its method like introduce. So the system.println we are add hi my name is, and here we are give the name of the student and age. Then second example of book. So book of title, author and pages is the attribute of class. So here is class and of method is read. Okay, so we are call this method of class in our main function. In main function we are new student created an object of student1 and give student1 name and ages, and then call the method of student1. Same we are create a second object of second student. So new keyword we are using for create a new object of a class. So student2 and then is name and age and then introduce method call. Then we are use a book class. So book class we are create an object of book 1, and book 1 we are add a title and author and pages, and then we are call a method, okay, using book 1 object. So how it's a output, so run this, and here is the output. This is a first student. Hi, my name is Kirtan and I am 22 years old, and here is the second student, second object, okay. And here is our book class object, okay. Here is the title of book, and HP Nanda is the author of book, and 180 pages. So here is the full example of class and object, how we are used in the project, okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to check out the video description for a link to the code on GitHub and other related videos. Your support helps me create a more amazing content for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding!